Today we're going to be discussing Shiba Inu Coin and why you're going to be rich very, very soon. Let's get into the video. My name is Zach. Welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we talk about Shiba Inu Coin and everything, all the news coming out on it, why you're going to be rich soon, I do want to let you guys know that you can get a free stock worth up to $300 when you just deposit $1 on Public with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit that $1 and you'll get up to $300 worth of free stock. I have personally gotten a free $300 worth of Amazon, as well as a free $50 worth of both I believe Peloton and Shopify. So if you guys want to try your luck, go ahead and get signed up with the first link in the description. And then also go ahead and get joined up with our private Discord. If you guys didn't know, we're going to be doing a $100 Bitcoin giveaway to one of our patrons at 100 patrons. Right now we are at about, I believe, 80 patrons. So with 20 more patrons, when that does happen, we are going to be giving away $100 worth of Bitcoin. So go ahead and get joined up with our private Discord with that second link in the description. But anyways, let's talk about Shiba Inu Coin. So Shiba Inu Coin is currently up about 2%. We are sitting at about that 2159 level. Throughout the day, we have had our ups, we have had our downs, but for the most part, we have been trading to the right and slightly up with low volume. Now, we're going to be talking about technical analysis at the end of the video. And then we're also going to be talking about a bunch of different pieces of little news and a bunch of different little partnerships that I think can happen very soon that will be very beneficial to us. So if you guys want to hear all that, stick around till the end of the video. But here we are with the Shiba token Twitter. If you guys don't know, Shiba token just got to 2.7 million followers, so that is really, really awesome to see. And they hope to continue to grow and could not be more excited to be a part of their crypto journey. If you guys don't know, Vitalik Buterin has been talking about SHIB recently, so that is another little positive piece of news for us. But really, the thing that I want to talk to you guys about, what will make you rich very, very soon, is this partnership that they are teasing on the Shiba token Twitter. And if you guys don't know, it is right here with on their Twitter, and it's basically a teaser of a partnership. It's a bunch of TVs with Shiba Inu Coin, and it looks like it is going to be a partnership with some sort of business such as McDonald's, Burger King, or any other food business. So we'll be looking forward to that. If they're going to tease it, on January 27th, I would assume it would be out within the week. So probably within the next 3 or 4 days, we're going to get this partnership, and hopefully this will give us a nice little pump. Another thing we have coming out on Shiba Inu Coin is going to be the name reveal of the Shiba Inu Coin metaverse. If you guys don't know, the Shiba Inu Coin metaverse was announced on the 24th, which is about 5 days ago. However, they did first name it Shibers, and they realized, hey, people don't really like that name. So they will be revealing the new name within the next couple of days. So that is something to look forward to as well. If you guys didn't know, we actually do have a Twitter, so you can follow us at It's Finance Bro to get all the latest updates there. Make sure you guys follow us on Twitter. We're trying to get to 1,000 followers. But yeah, also, I do want to talk about a few different partnerships that I could see Shiba Inu Coin getting. And that is going to be, first off, Robinhood. So if you guys don't know, the Robinhood CEO just said that they intend to list a bunch of a few cryptocurrencies in the very near future. This was reported by actually Robinhood CEO himself in the earnings call, and then Watcher Guru later. And basically that means Robinhood's going to be listing a few coins. If you think Shiba Inu Coin isn't going to be one of those coins listed, you are sadly mistaken. Once that happens, we're going to see anywhere from 100% to 200% gains, in my personal opinion. And we will try to keep you updated on both Twitter and our Discord and anywhere that we make content, and of course YouTube. But yeah, so I believe this will be happening soon. If you guys don't know, they have 556,000 signatures on change.org to get Robinhood to list Shiba Inu Coin. Personally, I see it happening in the next week or two. If you guys remember, the Twitter account Zero Hedge did say that in the first week of in early February, Shiba Inu Coin would be listed on Robinhood. I don't know if he actually had real sources saying that. However, if that does happen, we'll have to give Zero Hedge some credit. And I believe it honestly honestly will, because they said they're going to be listing new cryptocurrency soon, and with their new wallet system, I really think they will. But that's enough of Robinhood. The next one, actually, Amazon has a new partnership, if you guys don't know, with both Coinbase and BitPay. Well, Shiba Inu Coin is both on Coinbase as well as a partner of BitPay. So Shiba Inu Coin is going to be able to be accepted by Amazon soon, and obviously there's a ton of interest with 62,000 signatures on this change.org petition to get Shiba Inu Coin listed on Amazon, or listed as a payment option on Amazon as well. And finally, really this is one that I think is kind of a bit more outlandish, but Shiba Inu Coin may be added as a payment option to PayPal. If you guys don't know, PayPal has been pretty ahead of the curve in terms of accepting different things as a form of payment. So I think that Shiba Inu Coin could definitely be accepted as a form of payment on PayPal very soon. It's kind of a feeling I have, but this is out of the three that I talked about just now, both Robinhood and Amazon. PayPal is probably going to be the least, or the one that might not happen as quickly, but it will happen in the long run. And all of these three things are going to contribute to making you rich, but the one that's going to be coming up sooner is most likely going to be Robinhood. So once we are listed on Robinhood, I see 100 to 200% gains. So if you have, $10,000 to $20,000, I would expect to, get a quick bag off of Shiba Inu Coin here soon. But yeah, anyways, let's go into the global crypto market. We can see here that we're sitting at about $1.73 trillion for a global crypto market cap. Literally just a couple days ago, we were sitting at about $1.55 trillion, and that is a 1.37% increase over the last day. Overall, I've just been really impressed with the overall price action we've been seeing across the crypto markets in the past 7 days. Obviously, the 7 days before that, we were seeing 20% drops in like pretty much everything in a single day. Now we're starting to see a bunch of green days strung together. So I really like where the crypto market is heading, and also Shiba Inu Coin is sitting here in the 15th spot behind Polygon Matic. We're about $600 million behind Polygon Matic in terms of market cap. But yeah, the volume is sitting at about 540,000 right now. That is a 0.7% increase over the last day. You can see the volume is starting to increase a bit more throughout the day, but this is a very low volume. We're kind of used to being over $1 billion at this point, but this is really just a calm before the storm, before we get this massive news from Robinhood, or the announcement of the metaverse name, or that announcement of that partnership. So we have a lot of things coming up for Shiba Inu Coin to keep a lookout for. But yeah, let's get into the technical analysis now. We can see here that we are trading between the resistance at the 24 as well as the support at the 20. Currently, we're seeing a few red candlesticks back to back to back, and this is to be expected. I would assume we do see a recovery here pretty soon with Shiba Inu Coin, just because we've kind of been seeing these pullbacks and then followed by recoveries. So this might be a pretty good time to get into SHIB. However, we do have to wait to see some confirmation with a few green candlesticks here. But the RSI is at 44 now, which is getting closer to being oversold than overbought. And we are trending down on the MACD, but I don't think that'll be for long. Yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to get my updated technical analysis in the next video. But yeah, make sure you guys get your free stock with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 and you'll get up to $300 with free stock. And then also get joined up with our private Discord. We're going to be giving away $100 of Bitcoin at 100 patrons. We're about 20 away. Go ahead and help us out with that and get our buy and sell alerts. We've been absolutely killing it recently with those buy and sell alerts. But yeah, make sure that you guys subscribe, like the video, and then also, yeah, I think that's going to be it for this video. My name is Zach and hope to see you in the next one.